If you go to start your car and all you hear is a click, it could be a solid one click or a rapid click, like a that's telling you something. And today we're going to figure out what that something is. You're watching Dan's Messy Garage, and now let's diagnose that click. A rapid clicking sound always means it's the battery. It's low voltage or bad connections. A solid single click means that the solenoid, which is right here in this case, is clicking, but maybe it's not sending the juice down to the starter. Another thing you look for is a loose ground. There's a ground that runs from the battery to the engine and probably the battery to the frame. You got to make sure those are clean and tight. You could take a voltmeter and put it right on the starter wire to ground and have somebody turn the key and watch it. See if you get voltage right away that dumps down to nothing. That would tell you that the current is getting to the starter. But when you turn the key and you hear a rapid click, that's low voltage. You turn the key and it's a solid clunk. Turn the headlights on. Then turn the key or have somebody turn the key and see if the headlights dim. If they dim, you know that the current is getting from your battery solenoid area to the starter. But if the headlights don't dim, then there's not a lot of current going from your solenoid to the starter. That gives you somewhere to look. The starter itself could just be stuck. And an old school way to correct that is take a hammer or jack handle or something and whack on the starter. See if you can get it to start. If it does start, that's telling you that there's something worn in your starter. It's probably brushes or something. The connection where the wire goes to the starter is very important too. That's got to be clean and tight. Allow all that current to go through and start the engine. Battery post and the battery cable terminal connector could have corrosion between those two. And when you put a jumper cable on the battery terminal and start the car, it's just using the outside of the terminal to start the car. The battery could still have corrosion and not make contact from the post to the terminal of the cable. So you got to take your terminals off, clean them, put them on, and then see if the car starts. A good question for this video is this something that just happened? I mean, like, was the car running okay yesterday or day before and now it just clicks? Or is this a car that you don't know anything about? It's been sitting for a while and you throw a battery in it and it just clicks. You got to kind of know a little bit. If it's running before and now it's not, that's a lot simpler than if you come up to a car that hasn't been running, put a battery in, it clicks. That could be high resistance in the wires. They could be all corroded inside. The starter could be junk. The engine could be locked up. There's a lot of things that will cause a solenoid to just click. The difference in the click or clicking gives you a direction. It tells you where you want to start. You start with the battery though. You got to have good clean connections on the battery. You got to check to see if the starter is actually getting voltage to it when you turn the key. I hope you got something out of this video, and I hope I helped you or will help you when you run into this problem. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for future videos, tips, tricks, and projects. Bye.